Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY in this week didn't really move much on a certain direction from the last week. What it means is that on the last week you saw how GBPJPY moved while facing resistance around at this key zone and support around at this key zone over here. And in this week you can see the same thing. GBPJPY kept on moving, facing support around at this key zone and resistance around at this key zone. Didn't really make a breakout of either of these two key zones like we anticipated in our previous weekly market analysis. Now, so the analysis for the upcoming week would still be the same like we did on the previous week's market analysis. Like GBPJPY might either make a breakout of this support zone over here with further bearish move to come all the way, retest this uptrend line or retest this key zone once again, or probably to make new lower low, or GBPJPY could make a breakout of this key zone with further bullish move to probably make new higher high or all the way to retest any of the key zones over here. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see the pretty much same key zones and also same key levels and stuff like over here. And also you can see another key zone over here which GBPJPY might come up to and react from as well if it makes a break and close above this key zone over here. And a break and close above this key zone might lead GBPJPY to continue its uptrend channel move that it started all the way from here to all the way over here, giving us the idea that it faced support around at this key zone and made a retest to this uptrend line of this uptrend channel and is moving up with further bullish move. If it makes a break and close even above this key zone with further bullish move, then it would be continuing its uptrend channels that it has been continuing for a really long time. Now if you go to this 4-hour time frame, then you can see pretty much the same key zones and also the same key levels. In addition, you can see two more trend lines over here which we drew over here, the downtrend line, and also this is an uptrend line obviously. And you can see how GBPJPY's price is kind of getting shrinked in between these two trend lines over here, almost in a symmetrical triangle pattern, which we described as well in our previous weekly market analysis. So waiting for a breakout of this symmetrical pattern, whether on the bullish side or on the short side. And also you can see some of these key levels which we drew as well in addition, where GBPJPY might react from as well for a small time frame like this 4-hour time frame point of view. So my anticipation for the upcoming week on GBPJPY is that if GBPJPY on the upcoming week makes a break and close above this key zone after making a breakout of this symmetrical pattern while respecting this uptrend line, if GBPJPY makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish move, then you can obviously look for trades on the long side by going to shorter time frames like 30 minutes to 15 minutes time frame. Look for certain structure to be formed over here after it makes a break and close to avoid such stop loss hunt or manipulation like that. So always go to shorter time frames like 30 minutes to 15 minutes time frame like that after the price makes a break and close above this key zone. Then look for a structure and then look for trades on the breakout of that structure with further momentum on the direction of the breakout to all the way, hoping GBPJPY coming all the way retest this key zone over here. And if it makes a break and close even above this key zone, then GBPJPY might continue with further bullish move all the way to probably retest this high over here, or probably to make new higher high in continuation to this uptrend channel. However, if GBPJPY makes a break and close below this key level where it's recently finding support over here, as you can see it closed all the way above this key level, and also even here it faced support, so it makes a break and close below this key level and also make a breakout of this uptrend line over here with further bearish move, then it might come all the way down to retest this key zone over here. As you can see, it found support over at this key zone for multiple times over here. As you can see, all these retest points on this price ejection that it faced right after making a retest to this key zone. However, a break and close below this key zone, like this major support zone, might lead GBPJPY to come all the way down to retest this key zone, which is right over here on a weekly time frame, to retest this key zone, or probably to make new lower low coming all the way down to retest this key zone over here, which is very unlikely to be happening, seeing how GBPJPY faced this price ejection right after retesting this key zone and also continue to gain this bullish move while ranging in between these two key zones. So by looking at how the price is moving over here, it does look like that GBPJPY might make a break and close above this key zone with further bullish move. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where all these key zones and all these trend lines and stuffs are. And I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.